Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of sun protection with the Wondershade Ultimate Portable Sunshade Umbrella. If you're looking for the perfect companion for your poolside relaxation, this might just be it. Let's unpack why this umbrella stands out from the rest. First off, what makes the Wondershade so special? It's all about versatility and ease of use. This umbrella is designed to provide instant, lightweight sun protection wherever you need it. Whether you're lounging by the pool, at the beach, or even camping, the Wondershade has got you covered literally. Here's what I love about it. The adjustable telescoping tripod base allows you to set the height from 3 to 8 feet tall. Perfect for accommodating different seating arrangements or changing sun angles throughout the day. And check this out, it's not just about blocking UV rays. The umbrella's tilt feature enhances sun blocking effectiveness while top vents ensure airflow, keeping you cool even on the hottest days. Setting up the Wondershade is a breeze. It takes just seconds to go from packed in its convenient carry bag to fully set up. Plus, it's lightweight, weighing in at about 10 pounds, making it super easy to transport. Perfect for tossing in your car for a day at the beach or bringing along to your favorite outdoor spot. Let's talk accessories. This umbrella comes with everything you need. Cup holders, shooks to keep your belongings off the ground, ground stakes for added stability, and even a built-in sand screw for beach setups. It's all about convenience and comfort. Now, let's hear from some users. People absolutely love the Wondershade for its durability and effectiveness. It's got a stellar rating across the board, with over 3,300 reviews praising its design and functionality. Wrapping up, if you're in the market for a reliable, portable sunshade that excels by the poolside and beyond, the Wondershade Ultimate Portable Sunshade Umbrella is a top contender. Its robust features, ease of setup, and thoughtful design make it a must-have for anyone who enjoys outdoor living without compromising on sun safety. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.